Welcome to another thrilling edition of a casual day out here in Budapest, and this one will be quite special because we are spending a whole evening here in the city by first going to grab some dinner, and then we're gonna head up to a very special place where we can hopefully get some glorious views of the sunset. And then we will end along the Danube because there on the shores there are some temporary bars and sit-out places, so we're gonna grab some drinks to end our day there. But first, I am very excited for the food. Let's go grab something to eat. So we're starting the evening along the Bartók Boulevard, and one thing that you could have seen in this footage is that the Gellért bath is now full of scaffolding. We have already highlighted before that one of the famous baths of Budapest, the Gellért thermal bath, is getting a major renovation. There is a little bit of an update because now already they are working on the facade. However, for you guys interested in when you can go to the Gellért thermal bath, you will have to wait a couple of more years, but hopefully that time will come soon. In the meantime, we have a video about all the other thermal baths that you can visit. But nevertheless, we are arriving to our dinner place. Now, many of our viewers usually ask us, where do the locals go, where do they eat to dine? And this was a perfect example of what are some of the places that we enjoy to visit as locals. These more contemporary restaurants where you have some Hungarian flavors, but also some twists and turns, some contemporary dishes, something that's a little bit new, but also some things that are familiar. Like, for example, which is, I think, something that's kind of rare, what you had. What was it? Can you pronounce it?
Squash stew. I practiced this. I cannot speak. So I had squash stew, and it was very good, although it tasted a bit different than usually how I like it, with more dill and with more vinegar. But in general, it was very good. And I think what I would add to what you just said is that the prices here are more reasonable. It's not all over the place, so I think this is why this street in general, Bartók Béla, is very much enjoyed by locals. There are so many eateries here. We have a separate video about it. Please check it out. So yeah, we really like this area.
And for the first time in many, many years, I had the Wiener Schnitzel.
Yeah.
Because if you guys watch our channel, then you will see that we do have Wiener Schnitzel many times. But it's always my lovely producer who eats that and not me. But now she took the squash, so I had the chance to try it. And it was nostalgic for me because when I was young and a child, in restaurants, the kids menu was usually a small Wiener Schnitzel. And for a person like me, the sign of adulthood was that you could order the proper big Wiener Schnitzel. So it was quite nostalgic and also really delicious and excellent.
Yes.
Now, one other thing that I want to highlight is that...
Sorry, there is a bug on you.
That's why I have a lovely producer. And by the way, this is kind of related because we love this area. And a little bit of a background story for all of you. I used to work close by here on the Bartók Boulevard. She as well. That's how I met my lovely wife. So it's not just the bars why we love to come here and the eateries. It's that nostalgic memory of us meeting.
Fun fact for you guys.
Yes. But now we're gonna walk a little bit, then take the bus and go all the way up to the Citadel. Welcome back to the renovated Citadel. Now, we've been here once in the past few months, and we covered it in more detail, but just as a quick recap, since they renovated it, we have a museum here, we have some gift shops, ice cream shops, cafes. These usually close during the end of the day, but the park itself, with the amazing view, is always open 24/7. So you can come here for sunset viewing or sunrise viewing. And if you do so, well, this is the awesome view that you get. One common question we got back in the day many times was, where is the best sunset viewing spot in Budapest? And at that time, I will be honest, most of the time I have said that it's right next to the chain bridge, because then you can see as the sun is setting behind the palace. But one of the reasons why I said it was because the Citadel was under renovation and didn't have this amazing viewpoint. But this is just amazing. You can see the whole city painted in gold, and slowly that gold fades away and the nighttime starts. It's such a lovely view. I can highly recommend coming here. And as I have said, you can come here basically at any time, and maybe one day we will come back for a sunrise viewing as well, because that would be also amazing. But now we're gonna walk down and we're gonna head over to the other side of the Danube. But hopefully I can take some pictures of the Liberty Bridge as well. We made it over to the other side. We are right now on Pest, and the views from the Liberty Bridge were also spectacular. But it is a very, very windy day. But I hope that when we get to our next location, to the Danube shores, there we can enjoy some drinks in peace and with less wind. Let's go. During the summertime and the warmer season, the shores of the Danube are taken back by the public because no cars are allowed during the weekends and on the late evenings of Fridays. And as you can see, it becomes this very lively and energetic place where people can come together. They can also grill here, but they can also just simply get some drinks, enjoy their time. There are some DJ sets, other people bringing their instruments here, playing some music. It's a really nice atmosphere. However, there are a few things that I need to highlight. When you want to buy your drink, in a lot of places in Budapest, you may get a token for the glasses. However, here, what happens is when you buy your drinks, you will get these plastic cups and you need to return the cups, and luckily you actually get your money back. Each glass costs about 500 forints. You can pay with card, but when you bring back these plastic glasses, then you will get your money back in cash. This is also one of the cool things, that you're sitting down there and the trams are basically just coming and going right above your head. It's just amazing. Another thing that I wanted to highlight is that the prices here are a little bit on the pricier end, so consider that. But the cocktails were actually a little bit more reasonable. I think the beers are a bit more pricey. But having one beer here after the sunset is a really cool experience, and I hope that you guys will also visit. And before we close off, I just want to say a big shout out and thank you to all of our lovely community members, especially to our Cabbage lovers. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys give, and I hope that next time when anyone comes to Budapest, it's summertime, you can visit this, or you go up and check out the nice sunset from Gellért Hill. But thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, make sure to watch the next one, subscribe, all of those things. See you guys in the future videos. Bye!